IRN BRU is a beloved soft drink, but can the alternatives win my loyalty? Find out on today's episode of Brand Wars! I'm on a mission. With the prices rising for branded products, I've been looking for ways I can save money on my food shop. And I think I found the solution. Turns out you can find cheaper alternatives to these branded products at your local supermarket. I know, who'd have thought of that? Well, I'm going to try using this money-saving hack to see if it can replace one of my all-time favourite drinks, IRN BRU. Let's see what alternatives are there in the shop when I go now. Let's go! Okay, I'm back with the shopping. Let's see what's in my bag of goods. Starting off, we have the original bar IRN BRU. This was £1.49 in Lidl, which was actually cheaper than the other places I was looking, where it said it was £1.70. So already a bargain. This has 12% of our recommended sugar intake. Next on the list is Lidl's very own IRN BRU. I know, creative. It even has the little guy from the bar IRN BRU. And this has 13% of our recommended sugar intake. Lastly on the list, we have Asda's very own Diet IRN BRU. This has less than 1% of our recommended sugar intake, so I've got high hopes for this. Maybe I could be saving my health and my money. Some of you might be thinking, well, other supermarkets must do this, right? There must be more than just two alternatives to IRN BRU. Well, you're right. Aldi do one. I saw it online, Vive IRN BRU. I went there, it pretended like it never existed. I couldn't even find a sticker for it. Now, how are we going to test this? I'm going to get them poured into little glasses, and then we're going to blind taste test it and find out what the winner was. Thanks to my fabulous assistant Lucinda, I now have in front of me 3 IRN BRUs. And now it's time for the blind taste test. I'm going to start with this one over here. If we have a look at the fizz, already there's it's not as fizzy as the other two, which doesn't really set up high hopes for me. It smells like IRN BRU though. It tastes alright. It's a bit carbonated, but I drink it. Next one. This one definitely seems the orangey and probably the most carbonate of the three, which indicates to me that this might be the IRN BRU, the original. Oh, it has a smell. That one's pretty good. I like that. Yeah, I would like that over that though. So let's do number 3. That's a sort of pleasant smell for me. No doubt in my mind that is a cheap one. Here's how I'm thinking. I'm thinking Lidl, original, Asda. So there's only one way to find out. I'm gonna have to finish them. Oh, that was the Asda. Oh, I should have guessed, shouldn't I? It didn't have much sugar in it. It's got a tiny B for bar. Thank you, Lucinda. It's got a tiny L for Lidl. To be honest, the Lidl one's not too far off from the bar one. It's not as carbonated, but it tasted nice. So, go Lidl. So if you're thinking of downshifting, this is the one to buy. It's quite nice and orangey. Not too far off from the original, just not as sparkly. And that is it for today's video. If you are new around here, please like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments, because honestly, I'd love to do more of this. Please, keep me in a job.